Good morning class. Today I want to describe about polynomial for class 9th. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. Polynomial is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear? No confusion about my words? Very good. Firstly, I want to describe about polynomial because you can ask question to me, what is polynomial? A polynomial is an algebraic expression of the form px equal to a base n x power n plus a base n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus a base n minus 2 x power n minus 2 so on. It is form of polynomial. And example of polynomial: x cube minus x square plus 4. It is polynomial. It is clear? Polynomial have coefficients, terms, operations, degree and variables. You can ask question to me, what is coefficients? Number in front of each term is called coefficients. Plus minus sign is called its operations. X, Y, Z, A, B, C, so on, its variables. You can ask question to me, what is term? Separated part by plus minus sign is called terms. Highest power of variable is called degree of polynomial. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now I want to describe about type of polynomials. Polynomial are many types. Constant polynomial, only constant number. For example, minus 2, 4, minus 3 by 2, 4 by 5, so on. Next, zero polynomial. Only zero is called zero polynomial. Third, binomial. A polynomial having two terms is called binomial. Monomial, a polynomial having only one term is called monomial. Trinomial, a polynomial having three terms is called trinomials. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear? See the board with full concentration. Clear? See the board. Type of polynomial, class 9. Constant polynomial. A polynomial containing one term only, consisting of a constant, is called constant polynomial. My words is clear? Here, constant polynomial means a polynomial containing only one term. Here, only one term. It is clear? And consisting of constant is called constant polynomial. For example, minus 6. Minus 6 is constant. Clear? No changeable. Clear? 4, 3 by 2 by 3, minus 3 by 4, so on. It is example of constant polynomial. Constant polynomial is clear? No confusion about constant polynomial? Very good. It is very easy. Clear? Next, zero polynomial. A polynomial consisting of one term is called zero polynomial. For example, only 0 is zero polynomial. Only 0 is zero polynomial. It is clear? It is very easy. Clear? Next, monomial polynomial. A polynomial having only one term are called monomial. A polynomial having only one term is called monomial. For example, -2, 7 by 3xy. Here -2 is one term, 7 by 3xy is one term, so it is monomial. Next, binomial polynomial. A polynomial having only two terms is called binomial polynomial. It is clear? For example, x square plus x. Here two terms. First term is x square and second term is x. It is separated by operation plus. Clear? Here plus is operation and its degree is 2 because highest power is 2. Clear? Coefficients 1. Here 1. Clear? Next example, y power 30 plus root 2. Here two terms. First term is y power 30 and second term is root 2. It is separated by operation plus. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Here root 2 is constant, plus is operation and y is variable and its power 30 is degree. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Next, trinomial polynomial. A polynomial having only three terms are called trinomials. For example, x power 4 plus x power 3 plus root 2. Here x power 4 is first term and x power 3 is second term and root 2 is third term. It is separated by sign plus. It is clear? Root 2 is constant, x is variable and highest power 4 is its degree. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Next example, 8y minus 5xy plus 9xy square. Here three terms. First term is 8y, second term is 5xy and third term is 9xy square. Clear? Here variable 2, x and y. Here two variables, x and y, and operation minus and plus sign. It is clear? Here highest power is 3. Where is 3? Here 2 and here 1. It become 1 plus 2 equal to 3. It means its degree is 3. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Next example, mu power 43 plus mu power 7 plus mu. Here three terms, hence it is trinomial. Trinomial is clear? No confusion about trinomial? Very good. It is easy? Very good. Okay.